Hey, what's up? It's Jake from Nubis DevOps, and we're here to do another little game. Uh, see how this goes. So we're gonna do a guess the number game. So first requirement, we're gonna ask the user to guess a number, and then we're gonna tell the user, whether they guess too low or they guess too high, and or if they got it right. And then we'll know let them know how many tries it took to get it correctly. So, in order to do this, we're going to need a random number. So we're going to import random, and then we're going to make a number n equal to random.randint between 1 and 10. And we're also going to initialize a variable called guess so that we can create a function called guessing game, and we'll pass n, the random number, and whatever the guess is. Okay. And so in here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to print out my little message to get started. And we're going to say guessing game. Guessing game. Let's see, we're going to need 2 lines, and then let's say something like, I'm Beep Boop, your random number computer friend. New line. And I'm going to pick a number between 1 and 10. It's up to you to guess that number. Okay, so now we're going to tell them how many tries. We also need to initialize a counter, and since this is their first try, we're going to actually start at 1 instead of 0, and just say while n is not equal to guess, if int input, and then we'll have them pick a number between 1 and 10 with a little space there. I don't want to do if yet. Let's just say guess equals integer. There we go. If n is greater than guess, then we're going to print try again. Your guess was too low. Elif n is less than guess, then we'll say print that's not it, too high, try again. Else print you got it. New line, it only took comma counter, let me put comma counter tries, something like that, and then I'm just going to call this guessing game with n and guess. Okay, I'm wrapping, you could do this without a function, I'm just wrapping it in a function so you can get practice making functions. Okay, so let's try this, and of course, I gotta pick like 7, so let's try it. So Python, name of the file, guessing game. I'm Beep Boop. I don't like this. I need another line. I'm going to pick a number between 1 and 10. It's up to you to guess that number. Maybe right here. Yeah, I guess right here. I'll just do a little carriage return. Let me close this. Again, there we go. I'm Beep Boop, your random number computer friend. I'm going to pick a number between 1 and 10. It's up to you to guess that number. Pick a number between 1 and 10. 7. Try again. Your guess was too low. 8. Try again. Your guess is too low. 9. Try again. Your guess is too low. 10. You got it. It only took 1 tries. So we didn't implement our counter here. So after I print this, I need to go counter plus equals 1. And I'm going to do the same thing if their guess is greater than n. Cool. Let's try again. 7. That's not it. Too high. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. You got it. It only took 6 tries. Okay, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, that's correct. So there you go. There is a random number generator that stores that number as a variable and then has a tiny little guessing game that takes an input, compares the numbers, and then tells you whether or not you guessed it, and then how many tries. So hopefully, you're starting to get the hang of how easy it is to create some of these little games. And as we keep progressing through this content, it's going to get harder and harder and harder. But these are definitely things everybody should have done at least once, or practiced, or seen, or just understand the concept. So if you found a better way to do this, let me know, and I'd love to see what you're working on. See ya.